the machine. Okay, we can check here. You see reseal complete. Now we will set up the workpiece 0 place. Okay, select the first page and move the cutter height by the buttons. Okay, fast moving. Yeah, and we use the menu jig version. Okay, we can control the head. You can check the red cross. To light the red cross, place the red cross at the starting place. Okay, for the here, we set 0. Yeah, and press this button to see the material size is okay or not. Okay, and then we can start the vacuum pump and press the repeat button to do the cutting. Press this button.